Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on a product called Affiliate Autobots. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, what it does exactly, and if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get a discount on the actual price. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome. My name is Erick Rodriguez and I'm with ReviewTheInside.com, where we do reviews on softwares and products to help entrepreneurs be successful online, make more money, and bring their business to the next level. So if you don't want to miss another video, consider subscribing. So today we're going to do a review on a product called Affiliate Autobot. It's pretty much a membership where you get access to over 35 different bots that will automate your business and make more money online. Okay, so I'm going to show you a live demo from one of their videos, from the horse's mouth, if you will. And I'm also going to show you another video from the horse's mouth from them, where it gives you a rundown of the softwares that you will have access to. So let's get right into it. Check it out.
Demo. I'm going to hide some of the bots to protect my secrets. Only my bots' partners will get to see all of my confidential software. Now see that counter in the bottom right corner? That's going to count how many clicks this takes. First, we log into the website building bot. So let me enter my username and password. That's click 1 and click 2. If you're lucky enough to get your own license, you'll be able to create unlimited accounts. Click 3. Next, we enter the address of your website. You don't need to worry about hosting, designs, or anything like that. As soon as you enter the address, your website appears here in under 1 second. All you need to do is think of a name. And that brings me to click number 4. Here you enter the topic of your website. I'm interested in money making, so I'm going to write make money. Oh, and by the way, I've even preloaded the software with 20 of the most profitable niches. So you can just type in a letter and the AI suggests the topic for your site. But here's the incredible bit. No matter what keyword we enter, the tool will automatically add content to your site based on that keyword. So we could write golfing or iPhone accessories or any keyword topic you can think of. And as soon as we click the next button, our website will add content to our site all about that page. Okay, almost done. Next, we need to enter the information on how we want to get paid. That's because some of the links on our site will be affiliate links focused on our chosen keyword. This is the most important step, as it guarantees you all the commissions from your website. Now the best way to get paid is with ClickBank. They're the internet's most trusted affiliate network for digital products. That means they connect you with thousands of high commission products to sell. So every time you make a commission promoting a product, you know you're going to get paid. So copy and paste your ClickBank name here. That's click 5. Don't have a ClickBank account? No problem. It's free and doesn't take long to sign up. So let's copy and paste the name of our ClickBank account here. Then we click this box and click here to save our website. That's click number 7. And that's it. We now have our very own website filled with content and affiliate links live on the internet. You can see the link here, which now contains our website.
Super
When
easy.
anyone clicks and buys from any of these links, you get 50 to 75% of the commissions. All the heavy lifting has been done by my bot technology. It took me years and tens of thousands of dollars to build all of this. But it will take you just 7 clicks to deploy your first money-making bot for yourself. But we aren't done yet. You'll remember I talked about my secret 90 billion traffic source. And that brings me to bot number 2. I call this the AI traffic bot, and it is filled with over 700,000 traffic opportunities. I don't want to get too technical, but let's just say we took the top 100,000 sites on the internet, scanned them for 18 key money-making opportunities, and added them to a searchable database. Just like a search engine, but a search engine that's built specifically to make you money by finding buyers. That's where my 90 billion traffic source comes in. If we click this button here, It will display all of the sites that we can advertise on. So let's put in the keyword profit. Okay, see that? We found dozens of sites with millions of monthly visitors. All we do is click here to visit their advertising page, and then find dozens of traffic opportunities from as little as $10 a month. Now, these are all super targeted websites that we can promote our site on. All we need to do is create a banner. Then we drive the thousands of visitors these guys are getting back to our site. So people visit these sites, see our banner, click through, and then click on affiliate commission links.
Easy.
But how do we do that? Well, that brings me to bot number 3, the banner bot. Now, there are literally millions of websites where we can place our banners, but creating banners takes time, skill, and money. That is, unless you have automated templates. And that's where the banner bot comes in. The banner bot creates professional banners in just a few seconds. Simply enter a few words about your website, click go, and your banner is instantly created. Now we take the banner we created and add it to the website we found and start getting buyers to our website. Oh, and have you been keeping track of the number of clicks it took us? Less than 30 clicks to launch a complete online business.
Wow. So there you have it. Pretty much the 3 bots that they're talking about is that bot number 1 sets up your website just with a few words here and there. It automatically populates it with content. Then it finds traffic for you. And then bot number 3 is going to help you design your banner ad. That way you could place the banner ad on the websites that bot number 2, which is for the traffic, finds for you. And you could do it for less than $10 a month and start making money. That is neat. It's so easy. It can't get any easier than that. All right, so that's that. And then I'm going to show you, once you sign up to here, you'll get access to over 35 other software bots that's going to help you build your business as well. So here, there's another video from the creator that I went ahead and I'm going to show you exactly how they introduce it to you, and they do a brief explanation about it.
Well, stop imagining. Let me show you the rock solid proof that's possible. So, are you ready to take your affiliate commissions to the next level? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. I'll send you an instant access link to the Affiliate Autobot tool suite, including AI traffic search, a search engine of 18 traffic opportunities across the 100,000 websites, web widgets, copy and paste 1 line of code to boost conversions on any website with 10 widgets, banner builder, which creates instant banners for any affiliate program or product, Dropaveli, discover premium dropped domain names for any keyword with 10,000 new domains added daily, Affiliate Ads 2.0, instantly find and split test banner ads for over 200 ClickBank affiliate programs, Warrior 250, discover the top 250 affiliate programs on WarriorPlus updated daily,
Nice.
Hosting Affiliate Bot, which displays the top affiliate programs for the monster hunting niche, I Am Affiliate Bot, which displays my own personally most profitable affiliate programs in the internet marketing niche. King of the Zon, discover the top 200 brand new hottest products on Amazon.
Oh, that's golden daily. Right there for Amazon.
Launch Pulse displays the top launches happening on JVZoo, ClickBank, and WarriorPlus in the next 30 days. CB250 shows you the top 250 ClickBank affiliate programs making 7 figures a month in sales.
Nice.
King of the Zoo discovers profitable affiliate programs that are making thousands of dollars per day right now for affiliates just like you. One-click affiliate that auto-creates profitable affiliate websites and landing pages for any niche, product, or affiliate program in 60 seconds. One-click video pages, which lets you create super profitable video websites using my 10 proven templates. Rapid Video Creator that auto-creates profitable YouTube videos for any buyer keyword in 60 seconds. Resell database software, preloaded with thousands of extra software and other products that you can license in minutes. Automail software, an autoresponder which lets you build an unlimited list and send unlimited emails for life. Domainaveli, discover hidden premium domain names with the ultimate website name software. FlipDB, a database of 360 websites making up to $26,000 per month from the auction site Flippa. And that's just the Affiliate Autobot software. You'll also get all 3 of my methods for making up to $10,000 per day with JVZoo in one single PDF.
That'd be nice.
$1,000 worth of training with 3 complete systems, covering affiliate marketing on JVZoo, ClickBank, YouTube, and Google. A quick start guide that walks you through all of the softwares in one simple PDF document, plus video where I explain all of my secret affiliate tricks, tips like these. And I'll also include personal access to my email address in the members area. And remember, I'm here to help you succeed, but you must act now. Click on the order button to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can finally...
So there you have it, my friends. It is that easy. Pretty much you come here and you sign up for it, and you'll have access to over 37 software bots to make your affiliate marketing business super easy and automated for you. So here's the web page, or the sales page, just kind of going over it so you guys could see it. So just a few things here. You know, how much money they make anywhere from 5K to 15K with affiliate marketing with the AI. Here are some pictures of the bots that you get: buyer pop-up, repeat visitors converter, how they make, you know, $417 a day as you read this with ClickBank, Warrior, JVZoo, email, Google, and YouTube. So there's a bunch of valuable information here, and as promised, you come over here and just check it out. You could read it for yourself, and you could decide on if this is going to be something that's going to be good for you. Now here it does say $17, but check this out. If we refresh,
you might have heard how a few
and wait for the pop-up, the exit. Hold on, wait till it loads. There we are. You're pre-qualified for a discount. Remember, it's $17. Now, if we claim the discount here, boom, instead of $17, it is $12. I mean, it's $12. You can make that in less than an hour at your 9-to-5 job. So it'll definitely be worth it. Check it out, and then put it to use. And you know, you have 30 days, 100% risk-free to check it out. So there you are, my friends. That is Affiliate Autobot in its entirety. So I'll drop the link below so you could come to the actual website and watch the rest of the video and also read the rest of the content so you could make an educated decision on to purchase the product so it could automate your business or even start your business so you can make that first dollar online. So again, I'll drop the link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another review on another product or software. You never know. I might have that golden nugget for you so I could push you through to the next level and make that income that you are so wanting to make and have the life that you want so you can spend more time with your friends and family and just be successful online. All right. So again, my name is Eric with ReviewTheInside.com, and cheers to success, and see you on the next video.